Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to search for photos using your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So in the Gallery app, you can basically use your voice to search for a photo. So let me show you how you can do this. So first, go ahead and open up Gallery. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top right. And then you want to go ahead and find what you're looking for. And then go ahead and tap on the microphone icon. When you're ready, go ahead and tap on this. And you want to describe what you're looking for. Find me a picture of my UK license. So here I'm looking for my UK license. And as you can see, this will show up all the UK license which have been stored on my phone. So I can go ahead and browse through these photos and find my UK license. So there you go, guys. That is how to search for photos using your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.